Hey everyone, this is Karma, Lichty with Wordpress Studios. In this quick video, I want to look at the dashboard of WordPress and highlight the specific items you need to be aware of to set up a WordPress site. Now this particular dashboard, I do have some plugins already installed, so you're going to see some options here that you may not see in the default settings, so just ignore those if you see them here in this video. We'll just start from the top and kind of work down the menu on the left-hand side. This is the dashboard that you'll see when you after you sign into WordPress. On the left-hand side will be the dashboard or the menu. And if there's any updates to be done, and this is very handy, WordPress will indicate it next to this word updates with a number saying maybe 3, meaning 3 plugins need to be updated, or maybe 2 plugins and a theme need to be updated to be current. So pay attention to this updates. And simply click on that, and then with a couple clicks of the button you can update everything. Post is where we go if we're blogging, to add a new post or to edit a post. Also inside the post option you can set categories and tags. And I'll talk more about that when I actually do a blogging video. Media is where we go to upload different types of media, whether it's images, an audio clip, video, etc. can all be uploaded inside the media, and this has become very user friendly. If you want to add anything to your media library that you want to use on your website, you can simply click and drag it into here, and it will upload it into the media or into the library. And then this is whatever's inside this media library is available when you're editing a post or a page. Links I don't even use, so I would ignore that. Pages is the other option that you need to be very aware of. Pages actually is how you add an actual page to your website. And inside pages as well as inside posts is very basic standard word processing to edit or add your content. I'll go into a page here just so you can see it really quick. This is your content area, and you just simply type in here to enter your content. If you want to add media from what you just uploaded into your media library, click on Add Media, and that will bring up your images from your media library to add those. And then you have the standard formatting options here across the top. So that's true. This editing options is true for pages and posts. Comments is where you go to handle comments if you have a blog and your comments are turned on, so people can comment on your blog post, or actually a page too for that matter. You can handle the comments, you can manage the comments, delete, mark them as spam, etc. inside the comments option. These next couple slideshows and audit log is actually, both of those are from a plugin, so I'm going to ignore those. The other main area is appearance. This is where you go to set up your theme for your website. It's also where you go to set up widgets, which are usually the sidebar, the content within the sidebars of a web page. Appearance is also where you might go to set theme options, so your background, your header, the fonts, etc. that you want to use if that's available inside the theme options. And the other area to be aware of in the dashboard menu is our plugins. If you want to add functionality to the basic WordPress install, you can add plugins via this option. If you already have plugins installed, it will also list those as well. And once you have a plugin installed, it can be active or deactivated, so it doesn't have to actually be running. Again, I use plugins with discretion and don't overload your WordPress install with plugins that you're not using. Users, use this option if you want to set up multiple users that can sign into your website or your WordPress, into the dashboard of your WordPress website. Tools, you might use this to import, export. I seldom use this. There's other plugins that will do this for us. And the other option to be aware of here is the settings. This is where you go if you want to have like a static front page. You would go inside underneath the settings, you will see the option for reading settings. And it is here where you can set up a static front page or a blogging front page, which will list your latest blog post. All right, so those are the main sections inside the dashboard. Again, the ones you want to be aware of is under the dashboard option, the updates. We're going to be aware of the posts, the media, pages, appearance to set your themes, plugins to list the plugins that you have installed or you want to find a plugin, and then finally the settings. All right, again, this is Karma Lichty with Onward Studios. For more information, don't hesitate to visit our website at onwardstudios.com.